Oh, hey there. Hey, thanks for dropping by. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about some advanced equipment assignment functions. We're going to discuss what happens when we need to assign a sysname where the equipment is presented on multiple drawings. To get started with this, I'm going to open my equipment library and I'm going to select my 360 Systems Image Server 2000. I'll go to the I/O tab and I'll select just the video ports for this particular drawing. Now we already know how to set up the display here, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. I'll just add this device to my underlying drawing, which is my Edit 1 vid drawing. I'll drop the device there. Then I'll go back to the equipment library. Actually, I'll switch to the audio drawing now, and I'll go back to the equipment library. And here I'll clear my selection and select just the audio ports for this particular drawing. And I'll add this to the drawing and I'll place that there. Now we're at a point where we can actually discuss assigning these two devices the same name. I'm going to go ahead and double click on the audio one first, although it doesn't matter which. I'll assign this insert to server 41. I'm going to go ahead and give it a location somewhere. Machine room rack 1. And I'm going to say that that's at elevation 34. And I'll click OK. And WireCAD will do what it does when it assigns a sysname. It updates the insert, and when we go to the equipment list, that'll be there. We know that all works. Now we switch to the video drawing and we double click this. Now WireCAD's always going to suggest the next number. This will be server 42. If I don't do anything to make it be part of server 41, it's going to get this number. That's not what I want. I actually want to go into my drop down list here and I want to select server 41 to say that this is actually a part of server 41. Anytime you edit a block, you're going to get the ripple dialog that says, hey, you're making changes that involve server 41. WireCAD will now update all the project drawings. You can ask yourself this question when you see this ripple dialog. Are all of my instances of server 41 in sync with each other? If they are, then you can ignore the ripple. If you're unsure though, go ahead and ripple. I'm going to go ahead and ignore the ripple for right now. So, by virtue of the fact that we have server 41 located at the factory main rack, room 110 rack 1, elevation 34, and that information matches this information here in this drawing, WireCAD assumes that those are the same device. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky. WireCAD can have multiple instances of server 41 as long as they're located at different locations. So I could have a server 41 anywhere else than LA the factory main machine room, room 110 rack 1. As long as it's located someplace else, I can have another server 41. Okay, so that's pretty short and sweet. I hope that helped you understand the sysname assignment a little bit better in WireCAD. And if you get stuck, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. As always, you can download WireCAD from the website and give it a spin. We are here to help you with your design endeavor. Thanks for watching.